Alright, what's up YouTube? Coming at you in another video. We're already out here at the track. We're back here at Mill Creek. They're like rarely open, so I took another chance to come back out here again because they probably won't be open for another few months. And it's the Faith Racers Ride Day, so that's also sick. There's tons of people out here. I'm about to warm up the bike. Yeah, if you guys never checked this out, it's really cool. They have free food and just all types of giveaways. I'd highly recommend it. But yeah, just out here for a good time. Like I said, tons of people out here. All halfway geared up. It's kind of chilly out here this morning. Not too bad, but enough to have to wear compression. But yeah, I'm gonna get some third person for you guys. I got my girlfriend here, and yeah, we're in for a good time today. Well guys, it's raining. I had literally no idea that it was supposed to rain today. I've got a little bit amount of clips, but not that many. I wanted to give you guys like a bunch of third person, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to. It's just raining, and like I don't want my girlfriend to sit out in the rain and film. So it might be a little more GoPro, but I'm definitely gonna try to get out there at least one more time and get at least something for you guys. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't even know if I'm allowed to go out here right now. There's literally nobody out there right now. So they're either not gonna care or they're gonna be pissed. Hope y'all can see too. That's real nice. slippery, man. Well, unfortunately, that's a wrap on the day. The rain's gonna drive us out. I don't think they were too happy that I was out there just then, and it was super slippery, so yeah. If you guys like this video, do me a solid and subscribe and like it if you want to, if you actually liked it. Not much riding footage today, just because this rain, man. I was just now filling the track and then the rain set in, so oh well, bummer. Can't do anything about it. Had a good day. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.